Have you ever sat down to study, opened your books, and promised yourself that today you would finally focus, only to reach for your phone within minutes? The message notifications, the urge to scroll, the curiosity about what you might be missing. It's not a lack of intelligence. It's not that you're lazy. It's that your brain has been trained, and your phone is the trainer. Today, let's talk about how to break phone addiction while studying and regain control over your mind, your time, and your future. First, understand this. Your phone is designed to be addictive. Every notification sound, every red dot badge, every swipe refresh is engineered to release dopamine in your brain, the same chemical that keeps people addicted to gambling. So don't blame yourself. Instead, start by creating the right strategy. Step 1. Make your phone less rewarding. Turn off all non-essential notifications. You don't need real-time updates from social media, memes, or group chats. Your brain will slowly stop expecting constant stimulation when it stops receiving it. Silence becomes easier, and focus becomes possible. Step 2. Change your environment. Don't study with your phone next to you on the table. Even if it's face down, your mind knows it's there. Research shows that just seeing your phone reduces your cognitive performance. So put it in another room, lock it in a drawer, or give it to someone for holding. Out of sight, out of mental reach. Step 3. Use the phone study contract. Before you start studying, say out loud, I will not check my phone until my study timer ends. It sounds simple, but giving your brain a clear rule helps reduce internal negotiation. You stop debating with yourself and start executing. Step 4. Use the focus timer method. Set a 25-minute or 45-minute study timer followed by a 5 to 10-minute break. This trick convinces your mind that focus isn't endless torture, it's temporary. Even addiction responds to controlled intervals. Step 5. Replace the habit. Don't just remove it. Every habit needs a substitute. During breaks, avoid scrolling. Instead, stretch, drink water, breathe deeply, or take a short walk. Your brain learns that relaxation doesn't have to include a screen. And finally, remember the deeper truth. Your attention is your most valuable currency. Companies fight for it. Apps fight for it. People fight for it. But you must decide who wins. Every minute spent scrolling is a minute borrowed from your dreams. Every study session completed is a deposit into your future. At the end of your life, you won't celebrate how many reels you watched or how many likes you got, but you will celebrate the skills you built, the goals you achieved, and the person you became. So today, make a promise to yourself, not to be perfect, not to quit phones forever, but to prioritize your future over temporary pleasure. Because the more control you take, the more unstoppable you become.